Today I am doing my very first unboxing video, and I'm doing a product review. I am not getting paid for this. I just found this today. My popcorn popper broke and I really loved it, and I went online to see if they had another one, and it was like $75 and I didn't want to pay that. So I looked online and I found this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's called the Cuisinart Collapsible Microwave Popcorn Maker. And I bought two of them, and this was $12, and I'm really excited to check this out. So here's the collapsible microwavable popcorn bowl, and as you can see, it's flat. Basically, this is this is the lid right there, and this is the bowl, and it's made out of silicone, which is great because if you really are creative, you can probably make a microwavable cake in this, but it's collapsible, see, and it uncollapses. So there's your bowl, and the instructions say put 3 tablespoons of popcorn in the bottom of the bowl. You can use more, but I'm just starting with the 3 tablespoons. You can see that just on the bottom there. And then place the lid on, and the lid has holes in it, so the steam comes out. So snap the lid, I guess that's good, I don't know. Snap the lid back on, and now I'm going to place this in the microwave for 3 minutes, and hopefully I'll have a bowl of popcorn. And you're supposed to keep your microwave on high power, so whatever your normal power is. So let's see what happens. I'm so excited. You have to play around with the timer on your microwave, and I don't want it to burn, but it's steaming. See, it's steaming. And let's see here. Take off the lid. Oh my God, this is really cool. Looks like it popped pretty much all of the kernels. I took it out about 20 seconds early, but look at that. Let's taste it. I'm gonna put a little bit of sea salt on, and just to, I don't know, give it some taste, who knows? But it looks good. Look at this. Microwavable popcorn, silicone bowl, collapsible. You can just throw it in a drawer. All right, let's taste it. That's pretty darn good. I'm very impressed. I have to say, if I were going to give my very first product review a rating between 1 and 10, this is probably I'd say 9.5, 9.5. This is excellent. I mean, it's just like an air popper, except you put it in the microwave. If you don't have a microwave, obviously you can't use it, but this is excellent. 9.5, that's my vote. Popcorn tastes terrific. Popped pretty much all of it, I think, and yeah, I think this is pretty excellent. Kudos to the, let's see, Cuisinart Collapsible Microwave Popcorn Maker. This is awesome. I highly recommend it if you need a popcorn maker. Very healthy. You don't need oil, you don't need butter. And like I said, it cost about, I think, $12 from Bed Bath & Beyond. You can order it online, and you just go pick it up, and they'll bring it out to your car. Anyway, thanks for watching my first product review. Go buy this. I definitely suggest this. Bye. Have a good day. By the way, whatever you don't eat, you can just use this as a storage bowl for your popcorn. Just place the lid back on top, just like that, and put it on the side and snack on it whenever you want. And when you're finished your popcorn, and look at this, it popped all of the kernels. I don't have one extra kernel left, which is pretty rare for a popcorn popper. Now, you rinse it out, which I haven't done yet, but when you want to, whoops, sorry, you want to put it away, you just push it down, just like that, and it folds. Kind of like, remember those cups you used when you were a little kid that used to, you know, push together? Plastic bathroom cups. And you just put the lid on, and you can just stick it in a drawer. Put it away. It's the size of a dish. See you later. Bye.